Hi everyone, this is a universal lavatory sink stopper. This stopper is universal. It fits several different drain styles. I have a vessel sink drain right here, and it does have a little area down here, a crosshatch, that the old drain mounted to. This drain is universal. If I stick it in here, you can see where it bottoms out. Fortunately, I can just give it a quarter turn, remove the basket, and it fits in. The sink drain comes with several different seals depending on the style of drain. Pre-installed, it comes with a standard 1.25 inch drain, but you also get two different sizes depending on your drain style. This will also fit if you have a lever style pop-up. You can install this unit instead. So once I got the basket out, it'll actually just fit in, and the seal will just drop right into the drain. We'll test it there. There we go, I don't hear any water running. And now you have the regular button style drain. It's also easy to remove. Just pull up on this pop-up, and it just pops right out. So like I said, if it does come with a strainer, if the strainer doesn't fit, just remove that and just install it just like so. Very simple, anybody could do it. Is made of quality material. Yeah, it does a great job draining. So if you're looking for a universal stopper and you want to switch from either a pop-up style sink drain, or you have a vessel sink drain that is tarnished and stained, you can buy this universal one. Fits right on top of the old, and you have a really nice universal replacement. I would highly recommend it. Comes with several seals, like I said, and it's just a great little drain.